So your corner lights is the ones I'm going to do this video for, to teach you how to replace your single light and your tail lights, which is also your brake lights. There's 3 lights in there. 1 light, 2 light, 3 light. Alright, here we go. Light on the 1999 Toyota Avalon XLS. It's very simple to do. You basically got 2 little bolts right there you got to pull off. Let's show you right here. All you're gonna do is pull off this one, and you're gonna cock it a little bit that way right there, and you'll be able to pull it off so easy. So here's the thing. You can do it however you choose. You can use a ratchet to do it with and pull it off. It's real easy, it's not hard. Use a ratchet. You can use a drill, come out a lot faster. Just put the thing there. Or you can simply just use it like a screwdriver type where you put the socket in there. It's a number 10. I'll do is this so you can see how easy it is. Pull off one. Take off the second one. There's only 2 of them holding them. That's all it is. Then you're gonna pull this to the side. Kind of pull out this way. And pull out. There's 2 clips right here. Show you what I'm talking about right here. This and this, these 2 go in this hole right here. So when you go to take it off, don't try to yank back like that and break it. After you get those unscrewed, kind of pull to the side, because you're gonna pull them out of those 2 holes. Pull to the side. Now you got them out of there. Now the rest is easy. Well, the whole thing is easy actually. What you do now, all you're gonna do is twist. You twist this and you pull out. There it is. That easy. You got your light bulb there. Pull on the light bulb, you got it out, and you replace it with your new one. You're good to go. This is actually good. You put it back in there. Let me see. Make sure you put it back in the right spot. It only goes in a certain way, and then you twist it back. Same thing. You got your other light. Same with the other one. Making sure it should be good, but I'm making sure. Pull it out. Put it back in. Well, put the new one in actually, I should say. And then there's some little slots in there. So you got different pivot different points. This is bigger, that's smaller. Make sure you line it up the same size, like the bigger one's right there. Line it up like that with the bigger one. Goes in, you twist it. Same thing for the other one, the bottom one down here. You got the single light one. Yeah, that would be the single light right here, down here at the bottom. Right here. Same thing, twist it. Pull it out, change the light bulb. I would look at all mine, make sure they're good. Same thing, they're all just pull out bulbs. Put it back in. Guess it's good for me to do that because get better, make sure the contact's good on them since I took it off anyway. Just put it back in. Twist it. You're good to go. Now to put it back in, same thing. Remember what I told you. You got these little things right here. 1, 2. They're gonna go in these holes. So when you're gonna put it back in, sideways, push forward. Like that. You got it in. That's simple. Now you got it back in there. Line up, do whatever you gotta do to line it up real good. Get your screws, put them back in there. Every car is different. That's why I went ahead and did this one, because I popped it out. Push it back in, make sure it goes in. Right there. Trying not to get away the camera, and I pushed it back out back. Get them both started. Make sure everything good like that. Screw them back in. You don't gotta screw them real tight, just snug it. You want to break the plastic. This is plastic. Okay, that's on the driver's side. The passenger side is the same thing. For the back tail light and stuff. I'm just gonna pull it off right quick to show you how easy it is. You've seen on that side, but I'm not gonna pull the lights out on this one just to show you the same way. That one's a little bit tighter in there. Same difference. Push out. There it is, comes out. That simple. As a matter of fact, I will do that. This one looks burnt out, man. Black, but it ain't burnt out. I'm gonna have to make sure my lights are working, man. Getting confused on how. Remember, you gotta line them up. This one's a little bit different. Got a bunch of more slots than the other one. There it is, right there. Then you got this one right there, same thing. You're gonna pull it out. Look at it right quick. Of course, mine are working, but they're a little bit black. It's almost like time to replace them, man. They're not burnt out though. Good, yep. That's Jaden. Jaden wants to be on camera, so he's gonna get in front of it. Got that. I gotta pull out the other one. It was just to show you. Anyway, guys, that's how simple that is to do, man. So that's how you change the tail light on your vehicle if you have to get it done. You got a burnt out light in the back. That's the way you get it done. Just put it back in. Remember, it's a number 10. This is a number 10. And you're good to go. That's for a 1999 Toyota Avalon XLS. I'm assuming that the other Avalon's the same way. But thank you for watching my videos, guys. If I was able to do you some help, please subscribe. And there you go. Good to go. It's all back on there. This one's back on there too. Alright, guys, thank you for watching my video. Give me a like if you would, and subscribe to my channel so you can watch more of my videos. Remember, that changes your single light. You can change your single lights, your running lights, and your brake lights all together right here. There's one unit. Two to pull out. You can change your brake light, your running lights, and your single lights. Thanks for watching, guys. Later.